Hello, welcome back to Tech Teardown. My name is Steve, and today in this video, we're going to go over 4 pieces of tech that I got for $50 or less, all recommended by YouTubers that I love and watch every single day. So stick around and see what we got for you. Alright, so the point of this video is not just to show you 4 pieces of tech that you can get for $50 or less. We're also going to try and help out the YouTubers that I love and watch every single day. And so what I'm going to be doing in this video is just linking you to the videos in which I found these items so you can purchase them through their Amazon affiliate links and help support their business. Alright, and on the first item on the list is from Random Frank P. Random Frank P just hit 1 million subscribers, and I want to try and help him further his business. So on this first item here, we have a Nikon lens cleaner. If you're not a content creator like me or Random Frank P, why would you need a lens cleaner? Well, Random Frank P, in the video I'm going to be linking you to, had a great idea to use this as a keyboard cleaner, and that's what I've done, and I use it every day. As you can see, it's got a lot of hair and dust on it already. But you push up on this little knob here, and you got a nice little brush, and it goes right in between the keyboard crevices, getting all the hair and the dust that gets in there. So for only, I think it's like $10 on Amazon, and it's a great buy and a great idea from Random Frank P. Alright, so the second item on our list is from Linus Tech Tips, and it is the iFixit Manta Driver Kit. Has all different types of bits that you'll need to tear down any piece of tech that you need. Cell phones, game systems, computers, normal screwdrivers, Phillips and flatheads. Has two different size screwdrivers. They are magnetic on the inside, and I use this every day. You've seen it in our videos. Every time we're building a computer or tearing down something, we use this kit. So definitely recommend, and we'll link you to the Linus Tech Tip video that has a link to this. So the third item on this list is from Hardware Canucks. And I love Hardware Canucks for their peripheral reviews and their PC case reviews. Every PC case, every peripheral keyboard mouse I've ever bought, it was because I watched the review from Hardware Canucks first. And this item is a little bit different. This is a microphone. It's from Fifine. It's only $25 on Amazon, and you're listening to the audio right now. So what do you guys think? Does this sound pretty good? I've used it in the voiceover for my top 5 free games on PC video, which I'll link in the description below as well. But I think for $25, this is pretty killer sound. Don't have to spend the $100 for the Blue and the Yeti microphones. So I'm going to link in the description to the Hardware Canucks video. And once again, let us know down in the comments. What do you think? How do you think this microphone sounds? Alright guys, so the final item on this list is from Jay's 2 Cents. And I love Jay's 2 Cents. He started it all for tech YouTubers for me, and I've been hooked ever since. I love his water cooling tutorials, his PC builds. I mean, look at my computer, man. I have a water-cooled PC now, and that's all thanks to Jay's 2 Cents. I love Jay's 2 Cents. But anyway, the item we're going to go over here is the CompuCleaner 2.0. I love this thing, man. Gone are the days of the dust-off cans that are blowing water into your computer. Just throw that crap out. You don't need that anymore. We got the CompuCleaner 2.0 now, and I gotta thank Jay's 2 Cents every day for this, because it's saving me money. This thing is only $50, and I'm never gonna have to buy a dust-off can again. This thing is super powerful, and gets the dust out of the radiators, all the fans, and better than the dust-off cans. Does better job than the dust-off cans, and it's gonna save you money in the long run. So definitely recommend it, and thank you to Jay's 2 Cents. Love you, Jay's 2 Cents. Alright guys, and I do have a couple more items I want to show you that are just bonus items. The first item here is another one from Random Frank P. And we have the J-Desk cable organizer. I'm not going to review it because I haven't used it yet, obviously. It's not opened. But I obviously need it. If you see the cables on my desk, I need something to hide them, and I can't wait to use this. I think this was like 15 bucks. And so thank you again to Random Frank P for this item. And the next item we're going to show, I'm going to have to take the camera off the tripod and show you what that is. Alright guys, so the last bonus item that we're going to go over here is from Gamers Nexus. I love Gamers Nexus for their hardcore enthusiast tech videos, doing hardcore overclocking with their Rip J videos. I mean, I love J's 2 cents, but I love the Rip J videos and the Rip Steve or Rip Gamers Nexus videos. So this item here you can only get on the Gamers Nexus store, and I think it's like $20, and it's a poster that just gives you like a breakdown of the insides of a video card. And this came in use when I was tearing apart my 2080 Ti trying to do a water cooling on it, and this thing is cool. It looks great on my wall, and I just like using it for reference, and it gives you all the parts of the insides of a video card. So definitely love this. So go and check out Gamers Nexus and follow a link to their store. I'll just link of any video from them because I'm sure they have a link to their store in every video they've done. So definitely love this. I love Gamers Nexus. Go check their stuff out. And yeah, what do you guys think? Alright guys, so I think this is going to wrap up this video. Like I said, the whole point of this video is I just wanted to help out some of my fellow YouTubers that I love and watch every single day. So remember, just follow the links in the description of the videos where you can get their Amazon affiliate links and help them out. Alright, so thank you again for watching. If you like this content, hit the like button, and if you want to see more from us, hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello, welcome back to Tech Teardown. My name is Steve. Today we're going to go over 4 pieces of tech that I got from YouTubers.